Today, we're going to walk through the simple steps to log into your VN account. Whether you're using the mobile app or the desktop version, I've got you covered, so let's get started. VN or Vlog Now is a powerful video editing app that many creators love. Before we log in, make sure you have your account credentials ready. First things first, open your web browser and go to the VN official website. Also, you can simply go to search for login, tap on the first. Now click on the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Now enter your email address and password, hit login and you're all set. If you run into any issues logging in, here are a few tips. Double check your email and password for any typos. If you've forgotten your password, click on forget password and follow the prompts to reset it. Ensure your app or browser is up to date. And that's it, you're now logged into your VN account and ready to start editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.